Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jitesh Sharma, Director New Age Rehabilitation Center. Today we are going to discuss about postural neck and upper back pain. The common cause of neck and upper back pain is mainly the posture which we adapt while using our gadgets like mobile phone, laptop and working. If I am holding a phone like this for long hours, then this puts more stress on this area in your neck and upper back. Holding a mobile or working on the laptop, some people must be working from home for their company, so they must be having this posture for long period. And apart from this, some household activities also require bending the neck and holding the shoulders slightly forward. So the solution for this neck and upper back pain is through some exercises which you can do at home also. Like if you are having this posture, then you need to correct it like this, and to hold it in right posture you need to take your shoulders back and take your chin tuck in, okay. And to hold in this position you need to make the front muscles more flexible, upper back muscles more stronger and neck muscles stronger. So to do these exercises we can start with simple stretches. Like for the pectoral muscle, you can hold it like this, take your elbows back, hold it here for 5 seconds, then front. This is the stretching for front muscle of the chest. Next you can stretch your neck muscles, like take the neck to one side and hold it here for 5 seconds, then repeat it on the other side. Second stretching which you can do for the neck is turn your neck slightly to one side, take it down, use your hand to stretch the muscle. Hold it for 5 seconds, then take it back. You can do these 3 stretches. Apart from stretching exercises, you can do some simple range of motion exercises for your neck and shoulders, like taking the neck to one side, to other side, bend to one side, then other side, taking neck forward and backward. And for the shoulders, you can take the shoulders up and down, up, down. Do some round circles, anti-clockwise, then clockwise, and some stretches. Apart from these stretches, you can do some strengthening exercises for your neck and upper back. For the neck, you can do isometric neck exercises. These are well known exercises. In these exercises, you need to hold the head, push the head backward and apply equal opposite pressure by your hands. Hold it for 5 seconds, then relax, then repeat it. There should be no actual movement. And to lateral side, to the sideways, do the same. Put pressure from your head and give opposite equal pressure from your hand, like this. Hold it for 5 seconds, then relax. Then to the other side, then forward. For upper back, you can do exercises with TheraBand, TheraTube and using the wall. Let me show you. You can use TheraTubes or TheraBands and hold it like this and take it back, hold it here for 5 seconds, then relax, then repeat it. You should feel some pressure on your upper back. Next you can do some wall push-up. Take your hands like this against the wall, place your feet approximately 2 feet away from your wall and do this movement. Next one you can do using dumbbells. You can take support from some palm space, bend it down and hold it like this, take it up, hold it here, take it down. I hope you like the videos. Thank you for watching me. Thank you very much.